So, hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary from Manzil Institute for IELTS. Today I will talk about speaking part 2. Describe a time you needed to use imagination. You should say what the situation was, why you needed to use imagination, what the difficulties were, and explain how you felt about it. So, what is the answer? I would like to talk about the time I had to get out of my comfort zone to join an innovation challenge in contest, which made me think out of the box and work flat out to become the runner up. This annual contest is open to all undergraduates and postgraduates around the world. Each year, this contest draws the attention of more than 30,000 people, so it was really competitive and challenging for me. Therefore, when I was awarded the runner up prize, I was happy and extraordinarily excited. The goal of the challenge was to recognize individuals and organizations that were working on internet based solutions to promote education and economic empowerment in countries throughout the world. Therefore, it really required creativity and imagination from each team joining the contest. I had to buckle down and brainstorm ideas for the challenge until I came up with the best one to be accepted for four consequent rounds. So, at the end of the day, my team and I had really gone extra miles to become the runners. Okay, becomes the runners up, and it was really an unforgettable experience to me. After all, I can take pride in myself for all the things I achieved with my imagination and creativity. Is it? Thank you so much. All the best for your band 9. Thank you.